Hey everyone, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another unboxing. For those of you that are new here, welcome. I am a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and I do a lot of thrifting for my inventory, and I also order mystery boxes sometimes. This one is from Jomar Wholesale. And actually, I had no intention, no plan of unboxing anything today, but this showed up on my door and I ordered this like 6 weeks ago, 8 weeks ago, maybe. It was on order for a long time. I actually forgot I ordered this. So I'll take it. Pleasant surprise, right? I have not opened it, but I think this is the one that has the kids' shoes. So let's open it up. We're gonna find out together. By the way, if you're not subscribed and you like mystery boxes or thrift hauls, definitely subscribe to my channel. I post pretty much every time I get a box or a haul, I do a video for y'all. So definitely check it out. Check out my channel and subscribe so you get future videos. So there's a lot of tape on this guy. Sorry. I could have at least opened it before I started recording, but whatever. Okay. So let's see what's inside here. I've got a receipt. So this is 20 assorted pair of pre-loved kids shoes. And I ordered this because number one, shoes sell really well for me, and kids' shoes are kind of smaller, so they don't take up as much space. And my inventory room is pretty small, so I have to be mindful of that. But also, I'm really trying to gain traction on Kidizen, which is, it's a platform where you can sell women's clothes and kids' clothes, but I would say mostly people go on there looking for kids' clothes. And so I figured I'd get some stuff and see how I did on that platform. So this was, well, okay, so this was a $59.99 for 20 pair of shoes, but I did have a 20% off coupon, which basically covered the cost of shipping. So it was still about $59.99 for the box with the shipping. So 20 pairs of shoes, $60. So I'm looking at about $3 per pair. So these are going to be pre-owned, so I expect that there are going to be some in here that are not sellable, but hopefully the majority of them are. Let's take a look. So right up top here, okay, this is good. I'll just go with these first because they're right on top here. These appear to be Jordans. These are girls 6Y. So I can tell right now, so first of all, Jordans always sell great for me. They sell very quickly. These are in kind of rough shape. You can tell there's some discoloration on the tops there, on the laces. There's some scuffing here. And they're listed, the date on them is 2010, so that could be a good thing or a bad thing. I'll definitely have to look up and see what this model number is going for, but I think even in this condition, you know, I'll still make a decent profit on these, just guessing, so I'll let you know. I'm not gonna throw the shoes because the last time I did a shoe box, I was like throwing them on the ground and it sounded terrible on the camera, and you guys yelled at me in my comments, so I will nicely set these on the floor. All right, what else we got? What are these? Oh, these are Nike. I can tell by the swooshes there, but these are some kind of maybe water shoe, or I don't know. They're Velcro. They've got a Velcro. I won't pull it because that's probably going to be annoying on the video. Some kind of Velcro. They're pretty dirty, but yeah, do you guys know what these are? Drop in the comments if you know. They look like they might be like water shoes, but like not really, because they've got like the cushiony. I don't know. I gotta look these up. Nike. Gotta be washed. Got some Vans. These are like rainbow pastel Vans, but they're pretty dirty also. So I watch Ginger Marvin a lot on YouTube. If you guys are not watching Ginger Marvin, you should. I watch their channel every day. I will post here the channel. So they say they just put shoes like this in the washing machine. I have never tried that. I always like hand scrub my shoes when they're dirty like this. But I think today might be the day that I actually try to just throw these shoes in the washing machine. Basically anything, I think they said anything that's like fabric and rubber, as long as it's not like leather or suede, they just put right in the washing machine. So I might be a brave soul this afternoon and try to wash these in the washing machine. Stay tuned. I will let you know how they came out. Oh, so very nice. These are Converse high top, Converse All-Star. They're like they're a Chuck Taylor for sure. These are leather. Normally the Chuck Taylors have like a canvas or a fabric up here. This is definitely, maybe it's not leather, but it's definitely not fabric. Let's see. Yeah, it says leather uppers. So that's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen a kid's Converse with a leather upper. So that's exciting. These are, I won't be able to put these in the wash because of the upper being leather. But these should be very easy to clean with a magic eraser. So I'll call that a win. I'm really liking this box so far, actually, guys. For only $60, I mean, I think I could make $60 back just on what I opened up so far, but we'll keep looking. These are Lisa Simpson. And they're just, these feel really cheap. I can't imagine these are going to be worth anything. I'll definitely look, but these are just like cheap rubber sandals with like a Velcro. I'll see. Reebok. Just regular, well, the athlete's shoe. Maybe these are, okay. So it says the athlete's shoe, and that looks like a very vintage like tag. I'm getting a vintage vibe from these, but I'll have to look. They seem to be in pretty decent condition, so okay. All right, what else is in here? These are Michelin. Wait, Michelin. Michelin like the tire? Okay. It says PMG on the back. These are like water shoes, maybe? I don't know. I just want everything to be a water shoe, I guess. There is nothing on the inside to give me any indication of what these are. They have insoles, but they're all like, they're worn down. There's no writing on them anymore. They're actually kind of coming out. Okay, this is going to be a mystery for now. That's all right. I actually see plenty of more good stuff in here. These are, what are these? Nike H2O Repel Free 5.0. Cool. Nikes are always good. These are size 8. So I'm kind of betting these might be women's shoes and not kids' shoes. These look like they might be a women's size 8. It doesn't actually say, but you know, Nikes, or pretty much most athletic shoes have a style number, and then I can look up and find out exactly what these are. But yeah, I'll take a pair of women's Nikes too. That's fine. These might go in the washing machine experiment though as well. Oh, these are cute. These are like little, Oh, they are cute. These are little crew cuts, ballet flats. Crew cuts is the kids line from J. Crew. So not a super high resale value, but it's definitely, you know, I pick it up at the thrift store if my cost of goods is low enough. Typically my thrift store charges $3 for kids shoes. So I probably would have picked these up for $3 at Goodwill. But those are cute. They're in really good condition, so I'll take those. Let's see. Oh. You guys, I'm really loving this box. This is awesome. These are Nike. Nike. I don't know. High top Nikes. There you go. They are dated. Are they dated? Yeah, 2008. Size 6 youth. How about we look at both of them? Yeah, so they're a little bit less white than they probably once were. But I can clean these up with a magic eraser as well. Definitely would have picked those up for $3. These are Palladium. It looks like the brand is Palladium, which I have actually never heard of. These are also women's shoes though. It says women's 5.5, so tiny women's size. This is canvas. This is not leather. This is one of the reasons I love buying mystery boxes. I don't know this brand. I have never heard of this brand. I have no idea what it's worth, but because now I have them, I'm forced to look them up and see what they're worth and what I can do with these. So if anything, even if these boxes turn out to be like bad news, like, you know, not worth anything, which by the way, this one's really good, I think. But I end up having to learn about new brands. So, you know, I feel like when I thrift, I do kind of become complacent, especially if I'm feeling lazy and I don't want to like sit there and look up comps all day. I tend to like stick to what I know and I pick up what I know. But when I get a mystery box and it's full of stuff I've never heard of, I'm not just going to get rid of it because I never heard of it. I'm actually going to take the time and look it up and see if it's worth anything. So there's a lot of value in the learning opportunities in the mystery boxes. That's just my 2 cents. All right, so we're like halfway through, I think. I don't know, I lost count, but there's still more good stuff in here. These are like little, they're not really like fabric. What are these? There's no brand or anything. They feel kind of cheap. Not super excited about these. No brand, super cheap, not even real like wicker or whatever. What's the word? Espadrille. Yeah, it's rubber. Okay, those might have to go back to Goodwill or to Goodwill. That's all right. Okay, these are Uggs. Sparkly ankle Uggs. These are okay, it says size US L4, so I'm guessing these are girls. Definitely not Ugg season, but it's always like, Uggs are always good. These are in really great condition. Minimally worn. There's a little bit of wear on the heels. Fantastic. Got some flip-flops. Okay, these are like super cheap dollar store flip-flops. We're not even gonna go there. So this video is not, 40 minutes long. These are, the brand is Havaianas. It's kind of like right on there. Havaianas. Probably just cheap rubber flip-flops, I'm assuming. Okay, I guess the next couple are gonna go pretty fast. These are Cupcake Couture. These look to be like unworn or pretty much like brand new, but they're probably just some cheap like brand. So I'll have to look and see if those are worth listing. I've got, so these are some slide-ons. They say Shop Bop. Yeah, so Shop Bop. These say women's 8. So again, not kids, but I don't know what this is. They feel cheap, so they're probably nothing. That's okay. There's so much other good stuff in this box. I'm not even mad about these couple that are like nothing. I'm not even mad. These are Nina is the brand. They're ballet flats. I think Nina is something cheap. I don't know exactly where these are sold, but again, I'm not even mad. Not even mad. Even if, like, honestly, I could probably afford to donate some of this stuff and still make a ton of money on this box and not keep stuff like this sitting around just for the sake of trying to make my money back on the box. So that's actually exciting. Okay, 2 more pair. These are fun. Actually, I don't care what brand these are. These are like fun. They're like platform high top sneakers. They're velour with leopard print laces. What is the brand? Outsider by 1671. So I have never heard of this brand, Outsider by 1671, and I have no idea if it's anything good, but these I would list just based on style and condition. Do we have a size? Do we have a size? These look like they might be women's shoes as well. They have this number 67 in the inside of the tongue, but I don't think that's the size. Okay, well, I'll have to figure out what size these are, but they're fun. Okay, last pair. And I am not mad about them. These are Sorel. These are Sorel winter boots, and size. Sorel always sells super freaking fast for me. These are a size 10, so I'm assuming they're like a toddler size 10. Yes, please. I will always, always, always take Sorels, probably even before I take Uggs. Yeah, I said it. Sorels sell fabulous, and I don't find them that often, so I don't care that it's the middle of freaking spring. I will take some Sorels all day long. So that's the whole box. I'm going to count up and see how many pair of shoes are actually in here. Okay, guys, so that was actually 21 total pair of shoes. If you include like the cheap rubber flip-flops, that was 21 total pair. I normally say like, I don't know if this was a good box, and I do like 90-day updates, because my rule of thumb is if I can make triple what I spent in 90 days, I will say it was a good box. And I will do a 90-day update on this box. However, I will say right now, without even listing anything, this is a good box. In fact, this is probably one of the best boxes I've ever gotten from Jomar, or maybe ever. I don't like, this is a winner. This is a freaking fantastic box. I am so excited. This just made my day. What was in this box? This box took like 2 months to get here. I forgot I ordered it, but I am so glad, and actually it was worth the wait. So yay, win for me. I'm gonna get these cleaned up and listed. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I appreciate you watching. Definitely, if you have not already, give this video a like. I like this video because this box was awesome. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see my other unboxings and thrift hauls, and I will catch you in the next one.